ayan na nga, umalis kami sa bahay ng maaga kasi 6:55 flight namin. Wala kami masasakyan na train pag umaga pa kami bumiyahe. Pwede naman mag-taxi kaso prefer ng mga ating mong mag-budget. So push natin yan. Let's go! Carry pa ba te? Siyempre kakayanin. So ayan, nung nakarating na kami sa Terminal 2 Airport, tinry muna namin nila ating na matulog while waiting for our boarding time. And then, ayan, finally, lumabas na yung gate namin. So ayun, pumasok na kami sa loob para maghintay. So yun naman, nung nakaupo na sa plane, syempre, i-update natin si Mother before we turn off our phones. So, video ko din to kasi grabe, pagkagising ko talaga, na-amaze ako sa view, oh my gosh. So, ayan, sabi ko, OMG video natin to. So, ayan, palanding na kami sa Greece niyan, malapit na. And damang-dama mo na talaga na malapit ka na sa Greece. So, ayan. So, ayun, sana ma-enjoy nyo din tong view on the screen. My gosh. Okay, so continue watching. Sa gusto magpatuloy, I will shut up na.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Santorini. The time is 10:30 local time, 1 hour ahead of Italian time.
Ayun, Jilly, nilagay Vincent.
Oh, saan?
Harapan, yung naka-white.
Saan?
Nanganak ng lalaki. Yung nanganak.
Kobe.
Ay, nakaharap na harap mo na.
Ito OMG! For the first time!
You want to take it inside?
Ang laki, guys! My gosh, ang luwag. Pak, ganun. Ang laki ng van. Oh my gosh. Ay. Say hi! My gosh. Ang tari ng nagsundo, Bongga. Tapos papunta na sa Airbnb. Ayan, dito na nasubok ang ating English skills. Char, kidding aside, grabe, super bait talaga ng owner ng villa na to, promise. Yan, room tour tayo guys. My gosh, ang ganda. Tada! Maliit lang yung lutuan. May pa-ref, CR, palabar. Uy, para lang tayo nagbabahay-bahay. Wishes. Yan. Ala, ang daming bed. OMG.
Ang dami namin pag-picture.
Wow. Diba?
Uy, lagi ko na yung mga balik. Uy, tignan natin yung ano doon.
And yung view sa labas.
Uy, G, mag-isa kayo pa yung tour natin.
Ayun yung pool.
Pero, bibili yung kayo kahit 2 days.
Freshly picked lemons. My gosh, binigay ng kapitbahay namin. After mag-room tour and mag-ayos ng gamit, napag-decide namin nila ate na mag-ikot muna around the villa kasi sabi ng owner, walking distance lang daw yung Mediterranean Sea. So, ito na nga. Look off.
Malalim kaya? Punta ka nga. Hindi mo makawakan. Hawakan ng tubig.
So, ayan, let's continue. After after namin i-admire yung Mediterranean Sea, wow, i-admire, ayun, nagpasundo na kami kay George para mag-grocery kasi wala kaming kakainin dun sa room. So, ayun, nagpunta na kami sa center para mag-ikot-ikot and mag-grocery and bumili na rin ng souvenirs. Ito pala yung view ng daan papuntang center. So, ayan, tingnan nyo na din. Ayun o, may mga horse din. Nasa side chill lang, kumakain, enjoying the heat. Wow. So, here we are. Binaba na kami dito ni George para mag-explore and magtingin ng mga kailangang bilhin. And mag-try ng mga foods. My gosh!
Yummers.
Bring me a
Yummers. Nanggas, oh, pulong-pula. Go, sis! Girl, kung kalma. Ang dami ko talaga ibis. Prepared by Johanna. Wow! Aesthetic. Try natin. Yogurt na. Ang sarap. Ano naman yung yogurt? Akala ko hindi ko sa mag-isa. Itataas ko pala. Cherry, pakita mo ng cherry, sis. Nagtitigin yung bata. Nakipiyar.
Ayan, after namin mag-ikot sa center and mag-try ng foods, tinawagan na ulit namin si George para sunduin kami kasi tapos na kami mag-grocery. So, ayun, pauwi na ulit sa villa. By the way, gusto ko lang din sabihin na super sarap talaga ng frozen yogurt na na-try namin Makati, as in. My gosh, must try talaga. Pati yung gyros ba yun? Yung parang kebab na wrap. Grabe, the best. Hi guys, napagod na kami so umuwi muna kami. Magpapahinga lang din, magsisimpan si ate. Nagayos na siya ng grocery.
Nice!
Ni papahinga muna. I will take a nap and then see you sa pool. Don't mind our faces na lang here kasi mukha talaga kaming mga itlog pugo na gumagalaw. So, day 2, and guess what? Papunta kami niyan ng port ng Santorini kasi napag-decide namin nila ate na mag-book ng full day tour para naman di sayang ang trip sa Greece. And affordable din kasi yung ticket. Isipin mo yon, 53 euro siya and 3 destinations na ang mapupuntahan namin. So, ginrab na namin 10, no?
Pasada sa side. Nasa bangin na ng line.
Ito naman, we were so amazed sa mga drivers sa Greece kasi sobrang sikip ng daan. Pero ang smooth ng biyahe. So, ayun, Lodi.
Ay, ang ganda. Parang Pirates of the Caribbean. Uy, hi, Chi! Hi!
Pag nawalan ka ng cellphone.
Okay, goodbye phone. Oh, pak. Feel mo na ba ang hangin ng Greece? Ah! Oh my God.
Kasama sa video.
Yeah, Hair Street.
De seguridad y instrucciones generales. Al principio, para hacer copias de
So dito, papunta na kami sa first destination ng tour, which is yung sa volcano ng Santorini. So makikita nyo na rin maya-maya.
espejos y nivel de Reiseleiter für die gesamte
Wait lang kayo dyan kasi mga 25 minutes din yata yung biyahe.
der Rahmen des Contents.
Iba yung amoy sis. Uy, wait. Thank you.
Ginit, sabi kong gusto kong iyan.
Kaya nga, oh my gosh.
Manunod ako.
Oh, picture isa-isa. Huwag na madami. Kasi video nang gawin mo para
Kaya nga, video na nga.
Kasi ano tayo. Sana rin daw tapusin. Madapa.
Yes, for the trek ang person. Uy,
Madapa ako, katawa ako.
hingal na agad. Wow! Teacher Hannah, look. Yes, so pretty. I mean the rocks. Yes. Ang may regla for today. Oh, sweet. My gosh. Yes, ako sa'yo. For the hike.
Siri, ano ba? Pagdating ko sa taas mo, bunak ko.
Dapat sisigaw tayo, ano?
Mapasabog pa yung vulkan din.
My gosh, look at that.
Siri, dito yung view.
Wow. Oh.
Dito tayo mag-video.
Yes. Continue walking.
Siri, sumay ko nito. Diyan yung tour guide natin. Hindi ayaw kung kausapin yung tour guide, baka mabati pa ako. Hindi ba nagbibigay sila ng feedback? Sabi natin siya i-tips. Baka mawawala.
Grabe, gusto ko lang i-admire yung look.
Hindi ko nakapakos.
To describe all the volcanic complexes around our planet is an international geology term being used for that specific purpose. Its contemporary version, of course, in English means a cauldron, indicating the high temperatures that are being produced inside a volcanic complex. Inside this caldera, there are two different volcanic islands located. This one, the New Burned Island, was formed just 450 years ago. It's the most recent volcanic formation in the Mediterranean. On the other side, once we reach the top, you'll see the Old Burned Island that was formed 2,000 years ago. Actually, these two volcanic islands replaced an old volcano that used to stand proud in the same spot here until 3,600 years ago. And that volcano, back in the day, is responsible for provoking one of the most massive volcanic eruptions that humanity has ever experienced. There is a specific scale called the VEI scale, Volcanic Explosivity Index. So what does this scale do? The scale allows us to fully estimate the magnitude of a volcanic eruption. Starts with 0, can go up to 8. To give you an example, I believe you are all familiar with the famous Vesuvius eruption in Italy and was able to destroy in the blink of an eye the famous city of Pompeii at 79 AD. Well, that eruption was just a 5 out of 8 in the VEI scale. On the contrary, the Santorini eruption that took place right here at 1613 BC was a 7 in the VEI scale. The difference between a 5 and a 7 in this particular scale is about 1,000 times more catastrophic. 40,000 times more catastrophic comparing to the atomic bomb in Hiroshima during World War II. So right now you can imagine how the landscape here was completely reshaped. At first, Santorini used to be a round-shaped island. That's why the ancient Greeks called this region here Stregili, which means in Greek the round one, a big circle. Guess what? After the middle eruption, many parts collapsed and sank at the bottom of the sea. Same thing happened to the old volcano in the middle. And after several centuries and intense volcanic activity, two different volcanic islands started emerging, and finally they were formed here in the middle of the caldera. And nowadays, of course, we have the Natural Park of Santorini protected by the UNESCO. The latest volcanic eruption here happened just 74 years ago in 1950. It was a mild eruption, no one died. We've had the eruption, just a cloud of smoke rose, covered the entire region for Santorini for a couple of weeks. After a couple of weeks, completely disappeared, and that was the latest volcanic eruption here with no victims at all. Since then, I have to fill you in, this volcano remains in a dormant situation. In other words, for the past 74 years, this volcano has been taking a good nap. Trust me, you don't want to wake this thing up. Because we cannot be sure when the next volcanic eruption will take place here in the area. The next eruption will take place probably in 2,000 years from now, in 200 years from now, in 50 years from now. Who knows? Maybe if we are completely out of luck in about 20 seconds. Hope you're good swimmers. No need to worry though, because once this volcano eventually wakes up, we're going to be ready with an evacuation plan. And this evacuation plan will allow us to fully evacuate not only this island, but the entire group of islands of the Cyclades from 2 to 3 weeks. So we have at least 2 weeks time to get into the boats. Take all the flights possible. Helicopters, hovercraft, submarines. The Greek army will be here to help us. We're going to start swimming as the last option. And we're going to continue our life somewhere in the mainland. Athens, Saloniki, Kavala, Yanina, we have many lovely cities over there. The only proof that this volcano remains active until today lays at the point C. So that's the most difficult part of the hike. You need to continue straight up, following that path over there. After a certain distance, you're going to see some steps going both directions, left and right. First time, go left. Second time, the road splits again, and again you have to go left. So twice left, remember twice left. After that you proceed for 20 meters, then you're going to see a bench-like construction representing point C alongside with a plate saying Site C. It's impossible to miss. I see you up there to continue the English tour. See you over there.
Uy, delikado yung matatanda dito.
Ayun, wow. Oh, yan. Sure. Kasama na to sa bid.
Taas na natin. Ganito niya ako kataas nilaglag. Oy! Kaya pa ba sis? Wow.
Di mauna ka. Grabe na magpas pa talaga tayo sa side chick.
Yan, after 3 days daw na umalis si George, saka sumabog yung bulkan. Yes, kumain sa taas ng volcano. With this kind of view. Alam mo yung naiwan natin, Jilly, yung alcohol na binili. Dala ko. Awe? Yes, umuulan pero may araw. It's a blessing.
Pinakasal ng tikbalan.
Hindi naman dito.
Parang saya gumudo.
Vlog. With this view. Tada!
May iwan tayo, besh. Walang hati.
So happy! Paano tayo matanda eh?
Kaya mag-aaral talaga ako mag-swimming.
Mama! Kami. Sana kasama na kayo next time. Pakita natin yung view. Tada!
Next
stop, Gracia.
Gracias. Desde el lado derecho de nuestro velero en 2 minutos. Gracias. Meine Damen und Herren, bitte machen Sie sich für die Ausschiffung fertig aus der
Phobia na ako, besh.
Wait, dapat naka-shade. Yan. Sabi ready na. Ayoko na.
They shipwrecked here, they were stranded here, and they spent the rest of their lives dedicating their lives to spread the word of Christianity to the world. And after several centuries, the locals built that white chapel in order to pay tribute to the 7 saints of Tapetes, which means the 7 children. Celebration day, the 4th of August, when the locals arriving here with small boats, and they participated, of course, this chapel is on the on service of that day. So that's the chapel of the 7 of Tapetes on your left, ladies and gentlemen. Señoras y señores, están vistas desde la izquierda, se ve la capilla de los Santos Seftapedes. Varias versiones de esta
Over there.
historia, esta leyenda. mi favorita es de la historia de los 7 cristianos que vivían en la ciudad de Éfeso. Un día los romanos querían matar a todos los cristianos de la ciudad de Éfeso.
Saan kami dumaan sis? Papunta sa Porto. Look. Sobrang sikip ng daan.
So, ito na yung last destination of this tour, the Iya Village. Sabi nila, we can experience the unique sunset daw. So, let's see.
Dry nuts. Uy, ang damang tuwalya oh. Ay, wow. Thank you. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Perfect din ang weather sa Greece, mainit. Tingnan nyo, may evidence. Tosta na si ate mo, girl. Naging OA lang yung sunburn kasi hindi kami nakapag-sunblock. Kasi puro 150 ml. Yung binibenta nila 100 ml lang yung pwede sa airport. So, sayang. Kaya di na kami bumili. O, diba? Dahil sa pagtitipid, sunog. Char, mas more on nasasayangan kasi mamaya may tapon lang din sa airport. So, sayang din, no?
Yan na naman sa hagdan. Lahat na ng hagdan. Pinicture. Kaya dire-diretso na ako. Food is life. Ang ginawa lang natin dito kumain ng kumain. Mga spring, mga sheets na fruit.
More on lakad talaga kami sa every destination na pinuntahan namin. So, ayun.
So, puro shoppingan lang pala dito sa resto.
Worth it din yung paglalakad namin kasi super ganda talaga ng view, mga te. And mamamayat ka talaga.
No guys, this side, just like the ladies, take a cup, put as much as you like. Toppings if you want, and then we wait. Okay?
Ayan, may dadaanan na naman kaming frozen yogurt here. So, syempre, di natin papalagpasin. Let's try. And to end the day, naghanap kami ng perfect place to watch the sunset. So, here we are.